I'm recording this to document an unusual characteristic of the Windows Defender. As you can see, it's running. It claims it's been running since 1:54 p.m. 29 minutes 46 seconds, and it's only scanned 36,000 objects. Normally it runs around 5,000 objects a minute. The part that I haven't caught on camera is that this thing ran through about 100,000 objects and then restarted all by itself again, and there's where it sets. The part you're about to see is that if I touch the mouse, note that the mouse is down here. It's not inside the area that's controlled by the Windows Defender, but if I touch the mouse at all, the thing will quit, but it won't report that it's completed or that it's run or anything else. It'll just quit and say that the PC is protected without a message. I haven't got the part where it had rolled over and started on its own, but we'll demonstrate this part here. So you can't see my hand touch the mouse, but it doesn't matter. Mouse isn't inside the area controlled by Windows Defender, so I'm not going to click it, but it doesn't matter. There's no click. The mouse is just going to move. I'm going to move it down this direction, away from Windows Defender, and watch Windows Defender suddenly end and act like it's never been running. See that? And it's reporting that the last scan was at 1:33 p.m. instead of where you were seeing 1:54 p.m. Okay, now I'm going to click it to scan now again for a quick scan, and we'll just roll through and see if we get this. For some reason it doesn't go to a normal completion, and I'm going to try to give Windows Systems, send it, post it on my Twitter account if I can, one way or another, and show them this problem. There's definitely something wrong with the behavior of this program. I believe it's been hacked and it's compromised, and it doesn't really find any viruses. So here we go. I'm going to bring the mouse back up, and we're going to click scan now, and it's about 2:30, as you can see down here in this corner, and we'll just record the whole thing again. And this looks a little more like a normal scan. We've got 5,000 objects in 10 seconds, but that's awful fast. Should be about 5,000 objects a minute. If you look at the gauges over here on this side, we are seeing some CPU activity, and we're seeing the disk drive going crazy. Well, not quite crazy. It's running about 30–40%. Probably I'll edit this and take out some of the extra time that's caught in the middle to time condense it, so that you don't have to set through the 20 minutes or so that it takes to run this. Every once in a while you see a little window post up here. That is coming from my Outlook program, the mail handler, trying to check the mail. As you can see over here on the network, I'm not connected. I've disconnected from my Wi-Fi, because I thought maybe this is a hacker who's somehow come in and messing with my computer. Somehow, you know, he's maybe seeing my screens and stuff. So I'm just to eliminate that possibility, we disconnect the internet. Now, my worst fear is that it ran into a corrupt or a virus of some kind that's smart enough to actually defeat Windows Defender, and we get this abnormal behavior instead of Windows Defender scanning that object and reporting it as a problem. In any case, something's wrong. This clearly is not normal behavior. Okay, this time it appears to have stopped. It stopped at 98,000. The very first run it attempted got well over 30,000 before it had that problem end. Now, see, everything's fine. I can move the mouse anywhere I want, and it stays. Don't know what's going on here.